Straight turned in. It came right through. And then bam. Hit that tree. Hit that tree and rested right there against that one. The two kids on the far side went down and out that way and came up around and came up here. The girl was laying right here, writhing in pain, talking about she was pregnant. And the kid was still in the car. They pulled him up right through here. Two firemen tripped over all these things here getting him up there, and they worked on him right there. And I stood right here next to the girl who was standing right here while they dragged him up. I was on the phone with 911 while the guy and the fire department started pulling that kid up and helped him get up here. And they worked on him right there. Sadly, he did not make it. So yeah, there was no drinking, no drugs. The car broke and turned dead into these trees like it was meant to happen. That's how crazy shit is. Crazy. But yeah, that's where it ended up, right there. All that. That tire was here already. So yeah, freaking terrible. Kid died and one lady got airlifted. These were kids.